welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be doing an updated video on how to redeem your Fetch rewards. Yay! Because everybody in the budgeting community, I'm sure, has Fetch rewards or have heard of Fetch rewards. I have a couple of these videos on my channel, but Fetch has since added some new features, so I wanted to just share it with you today in today's video. I plan to do a online purchase with my Fetch gift card, showing you that you can use it online as well, because someone asked me that question in one of my videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my Fetch app. And I'm going to scan a receipt and show you this new feature they have. Let me just go ahead and scan this first. Hit submit. When you snap it, hit submit. So you see I just went to Arbis. So you see this right here where it says tap to play. That's a new feature they have where they give you additional points. Chris over at Budgeting Just Because, she did a short showing you where she got like 10,000 points. That's equivalent to $10. Yay for Chris. So let's see how many extra points Mrs Vee is going to get today. Ooh, 5. Baby, they tried to tease me with them 10,000 points. 5 extra points. Yay, thank you. So yeah. So as you can see, Mrs Vee has 47,000 points. Oh, back to that feature where you get those extra points. You get them every 24 hours. You see the timer has started over. So yeah. So I've been using Fetch way before I started doing financial videos. I started back in 2018. Yeah, I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I know I'm gonna do an online order. I'm gonna do Amazon. So what I'll do is I go right here to rewards. Then I'm gonna scroll down here. Here are your categories. You can do Fetch merch if you want to do that. Retail, sweepstakes, restaurants, entertainment. You can get cash cards, health and beauty, home and office, fashion. This is what I love. Charity. You can even donate your points to charity if you like. Travel, pets, and recreation and specialty. So I know I'm gonna do retail, so I'm gonna go back up here to retail. I'm gonna hit retail, and then you see how the circles, the amount is in yellow. So like right here, Amazon, I cannot get a $50 card, but I can get a $25 card. And they have increased the points. It used to be if you get a $25 gift card, you will only have to redeem 25,000 points, but they've increased that. I guess that's part of inflation too. So I know that I'm going to get an Amazon gift card, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the $25. And I'm going to say get my $25 reward. Your reward is within reach. Would you like to redeem 28,000 points for a $25 gift card? Amazon.com reward. So I just want to make sure you realize what you're doing. So if you change your mind, you can hit cancel, but I'm going to say use points for rewards. Your rewards are on the way, but it may take up to 3 days. Sometimes it takes up to 3 days. I've had to wait 3 days one time. So we'll see. I'll let you know if I had to wait 3 days. So my reward is processing. And so I'll come back and let you know how long it took. And tell you what you do next. Your reward will be available 72 hours after you submit your reward claim. I called Fetch to see why they do the 72 hours. They told me it was just to make sure that, you know, the account is real. But being that I have already redeemed rewards, you would think I wouldn't have to wait 72 hours. So we're going to see if I actually have to wait 72 hours. Okay, guys, it's the next morning and it's been about 12 hours and my gift card is still processing. So while we're waiting, I want to talk to you about some things, because there may be some new people here who have never redeemed their Fetch rewards. When I first started with Fetch, I did not have to wait 72 hours. As mentioned earlier, this is something new So a tip for you is, say, for instance, if you want to use your money for groceries or something, I would go ahead and redeem my reward, 3 days prior to me going to the grocery store. That way you'll already have your gift card ready. So that's just a little tip. But being that I was doing a tutorial, I just wanted to show you that you may have to wait 72 hours. So it's still processing, so you can just track it there. So another thing I want to show you is when you go down here to Snap, you see that little blue dot, you hit the Snap, and it'll give you an option for e-receipts or Snap. Snap is the physical receipts that you have. E-receipts is you can connect your Amazon account, different places where you shop online. I don't have a lot of things online. Let's see if I have anything. Nope, no accounts connected. I don't have any accounts connected because I don't do a lot of online shopping. But if you are a online shopper, you can connect. So here are the places you can connect to: Amazon, Walmart, your email, because you're gonna get all kind of notifications on your email. But here's all the, you can view all the retailers. You got Ulta, Grubhub, Walmart, Target, Instacart, all those places. 7, and here are all the e-receipt retailers. So yeah, so I think that's great. So when you want to redeem those, being that you don't have the physical receipt, you just go right here. Instead of hitting Snap, you just hit e-receipt, and it'll circulate in the system and let you know if you get any points for any receipts that you have that's online. So that's it though. That's all I want to talk to you about. So I'll be back whenever my gift card is active and show you how to actually redeem a online gift card. 3 days later, my Amazon gift card is finally here. I think this is the second time I actually had to wait 72 hours. But anywho, okay, so the Amazon gift card is ready. So this is all my stuff. I will have already used the gift card by the time I post this video, so nobody will steal my code. So this is your security code. So you tap and view it. That's your gift card. So if you want to unlock it, I guess I accept that. Unlock your gift card. Enter the security code to unlock and reveal your reward. They're going to send you a security card to your phone. Let me put that in now. Okay, then once you put the code in, so that's something different. I'm learning with you guys. Normally they would send the code to your phone, but as you saw, they had the code on the actual app this time. So that's an upgrade. So that's great. So I put the code in, and it tells you how to use it if you want to use it online. Of course, that's how I'm going to use it because it's Amazon gift card. And to redeem your gift card, you go here. So I'll do all that. So the next step you'll see is me actually going on Amazon and using the gift card. So stay tuned.